Hi, you guys. This is Kiki, owner of Egyptian, and we're back with another video. Today's video, you guys, is I still didn't know I had more room on the back, so we're gonna put the most famous Happy Bunny on our pillow. Do y'all remember Happy Bunny? Happy Bunny had the most emphasis quotes. Like one was like, oh, what was the quote? The quote, it was funny. One of the quotes, let me get it for y'all. One of the quotes like, "It's cute how stupid you are. Cute but psycho, things even out. You smell like doo doo. Me won't hurt you. It's all about me. Deal with it." Y'all remember those? I remember it. So we're gonna put him on the shirt today. So let's get into it. First, we just gonna unpeel this. And now a square yellow platform will help us set up the next level. We'll need to secure it in place, so let's use these long rectangles. A red one can go here, and for even more stability, a yellow one here. And now we got some orange pieces that kind of look like a duck's bill. And they can place them like so. We're gonna get us some paper and we're gonna put him on there, y'all. And I'm not trying to make this video long because my YouTube, while it's uploading the video, when I uploaded videos yesterday, I just went on today and found out it's still uploading 2 of my videos. So that's why y'all think y'all haven't seen content for me, but content is there. Well, it's on here like so, y'all. We just made a Happy Bunny cover pillow. Alright, you guys, if y'all want to see more videos from me, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another video. Bye.